Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. The issue assert hostname false seems to be ignored in 1.10.524 on GitHub, or any similar assertion issue, typically arises when dealing with unit testing or assertions within a program. It suggests that an assertion meant to fail when a hostname is detected, or, conversely, meant to pass when a hostname isn't detected, is not working as expected. Let's break down why this might happen, how to properly assert hostname values, and provide solutions for common pitfalls. Understanding the problem, assertion failures. Assertions are checks built into your code to verify assumptions. They're crucial for testing and debugging. When an assertion fails, it means your program's internal state doesn't match your expectations. A typical assertion looks like this, in Python. If condition evaluates to false, the assertion fails, and your program, usually, stops execution with an error message. This is deliberate. Assertions highlight bugs early in development. In the context of assert hostname false, we're dealing with a scenario where the code is attempting to verify that a hostname is not present. The failure implies that the condition, hostname equals false or a similar check, is evaluating to true even when it should be false, meaning the code thinks a hostname is absent when it's actually present. Causes of assertion failures with hostnames *. 1. Incorrect hostname detection *. The core problem lies in how the hostname is detected and compared. Different methods yield different results. For example, using socket.getHostname, this function returns the hostname of the local machine. It might not reflect the hostname you expect if you're working with a network service or remote connection. Parsing environment variables hostnames might be stored in environment variables, hostname, computer name, etc. Incorrect parsing or missing variables can lead to false assertions. Analyzing URLs extracting a hostname from a URL requires careful parsing. Improperly handling subdomains or protocol prefixes, example http// can result in an incorrect hostname. Using third-party libraries libraries designed for network operations might have their own hostname retrieval methods. Consult their documentation for accurate usage. 2. Type mismatch the hostname might be a string, while your assertion compares it to a boolean, false. Python, for example, treats non-empty strings as truthy, meaning they will satisfy a condition like if hostname or even if hostname equals true. This is a very common source of errors. You need to explicitly check for an empty string or a specific hostname value. 3. Incorrect assertion logic *. The logic of your assertion might be flawed. You might be using the wrong comparison operator, equals, in, etc. 4. Unexpected network behavior *. The hostname might be dynamically assigned or changed during the test, leading to inconsistent results. Example scenarios and solutions, Python. Let's illustrate these issues and solutions with Python code. Scenario 1, incorrect type comparison. This will always fail because hostname is a string, not false. Solution *. Scenario 2, checking against a specific hostname *. Scenario 3, handling potential exceptions *. Network operations can fail. Your assertion code should gracefully handle potential errors. Scenario 4, using a library for hostname extraction *. If you are using a library, like erlib.parse for URL parsing, you might need to adapt your assertion based on the library's output. Debugging strategies *. 1. Print statements *. Add print,
statements before and after the assertion to inspect the value of hostname and other relevant variables. 2. Logging * use a logging library, like Python's logging module, to record detailed information about the hostname, the assertion, and the context of the failure. This is particularly useful in more complex applications. 3. Debuggers * use a debugger, like PDB in Python, to step through your code line by line, examining variables and the flow of execution at the point of the assertion failure. 4. Isolate the problem * create a minimal, reproducible example that demonstrates the assertion failure. This helps to focus your debugging efforts. Remember to adapt these examples and debugging strategies to your specific situation and programming language. The core principle remains the same: carefully examine how the hostname is obtained and compared in your assertion, handle potential errors appropriately, and utilize debugging tools to identify the root cause of the failure.